Hey guys, so when you come to my classroom, you want to click on the week 4 homework in order to complete it. You're going to enter your student ID number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's my made up one, your first name, your last name, class period, period 1. Required questions. Make sure to answer each of these questions. Use paper to help you. Check out your answers when you're finished and watch the videos for any you missed. What percentage of a dollar is the value of each coin combination? 4 dimes. I know a dime is worth 10 cents. So 10 times 4 is 40 cents. Oh, units. Okay. 1 nickel and 3 pennies. I know a nickel is worth 5 cents, and I know 3 pennies is worth 3 cents. So 5 cents plus 3 cents is 8 cents. Yes. 5 quarters and 1 dime, 25 cents. Oh, 5 times. $1.25 plus 10 cents. 125 plus 10 is $1.35. List 3 different combinations of coins, each with a value of 30% of a dollar. List 3 different combinations of coins, each with the value of 30% of a dollar. Well, 30% is just 30 cents, right? So I have to come up with 3 different combinations. So one way could be, let's do it easy, 25 cents plus 5 cents. Or you could do, what's another coin? We could do 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 10 cents. Oops. Or what else? I'll capitalize the other one. Okay, or another way. Oops, I did not write that correctly. Okay. Or another way could be, let's do, we got a penny, a nickel, a dime, a quarter, and it's 30 cents. So I could do 1 cent. I don't really want to do 1 cent. 5 cents plus 5 cents. That's 10 cents now. Let's do 10 cents plus 10 cents. So now I've got 20 cents plus 0.5 again. That's 15. That's 25 plus another 5. Okay. I'll do pennies. So we got 5, 10, 20, 25. We got 26 plus 27 plus another penny plus a penny. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, plus another one. Okay, and that all equals 30 cents. So that's one way. That's 30 cents. That's also equal to 30% of a dollar. Or you could have done 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 10 cents and gotten 30 cents. Or you could have done 25 cents plus 5 cents. Number 3, Terry realized that 25% of his money was $12.50. He made a double number line to represent this. What number would go in the first top missing box? I would put 25 because if I look here, I want to put the missing number here. If I double it, 1250 plus 1250 is 25. Terry realized that 25% of his money was $12.50. He made a double number line to represent this. What would go in the second bottom missing number? What's double 25? 50. And we're going to put 50%. Oh, I don't have to put that. Okay, well, it should be 50%. Choose at least 2 questions to answer from the selection. For the questions you want to skip, just write 0. Elena bought 8 tokens for $4.40. At this rate, how many tokens could she buy with $6.05? She bought 8 tokens for $4.40. Oh, so I have to figure out how much is 1 token. So if I want to figure out how much 1 token is, I'm going to type in 440 divided by 8. Means we're going to pay 55 cents per token. How many tokens could she buy with $6.05? So I'm going to hold on to this number in my head and I'm going to divide. I'm going to take $6.05 and now I'm going to divide that by 55 cents. So she can buy 11 tokens. A snail travels 10 centimeters in 4 minutes. At this rate, how long will it take the snail to travel 24 centimeters? Okay, so I want to get this 10 to 24, but I got to figure out, but how long does it take the snail to travel in 1 minute? Oops. 10 divided by 4. 2.5. So 2.5 per minute. If it takes the snail 2.5 centimeters per 1 minute, that means if I multiply this times 4, I should get 10. So 2.5 times 10, not 10, sorry, times 4 is 10. Perfect. Oh, well, I'm not done. So I found out how long it takes the snail to travel in 1 minute, which is 2.5 centimeters. Now they're asking, well, what about 24 centimeters? So let's go back there. 24 divided by 2.5 is 9.6. No, that doesn't make any sense. 4 divided by 10 is 0.4 or 4/10. So does this mean that the snail can travel at... No, I was right. Sorry about that. Let's draw it out. Okay. So if we think about this one, we could draw a table. This is why drawing helps you out. You can't always rely on a calculator. So if the snail travels, all right, so we put centimeters over here and we're going to put minutes on this side. What I want to accomplish is that I want to know how long it takes the snail to travel in 1 minute. I don't have that information. The only information I have is that the snail travels at 4 minutes. So it travels 10 centimeters in 4 minutes. This is a multiplicative relationship, and this is what I do know. But this information is very crucial because it's going to help me solve the rest of my problem. So in order for 4 to become 1, you have to do 4 divided by 4, right? And 4 divided by 4 is 1. And so whatever I do to one side, I got to do to the other side. And 10 divided by 4, well, over here, I'm going to simplify 10 divided by 4. I divide both of them by 2 or cut them both in half. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So we were correct the other time when we used the calculator. So a snail can travel 2.5 centimeters in 1 minute. Is that what they asked us? No. They said, at this rate, how long will it take the snail to travel 24 centimeters? So that means, how can we get, I'll put it right here, how can we get to 24 centimeters? And this is what we're looking for. How much time will it take the snail to go 24 centimeters? So I could do 2.5 times 10. 2.5, oops, undo. 2.5 times 10 is 25, right? And 1 times 10 is 10. So the answer is going to be less than 10. So we think about this, 2.5 minus, oh, because we're getting a fraction. Okay. So I got to cut it in half. All right. So 2.5 cut in half becomes 1.25. And you know what I think? I think this is a typo. For this kind of problem, it shouldn't be that difficult. I have a feeling that this should have been 25 and not 24. I'm so sorry. That is a typo. That's why this doesn't make sense. Okay, so if it was 25, let's clear the board. Let's try it again. As if it was going to be that. That's why it's not working out. I'm so sorry. Sometimes teachers make mistakes. Okay. I'll definitely tell people in class tomorrow. Oh no, what a terrible mistake. But you know what? That's okay. I'm glad we figured this out. That's why it wasn't making sense to me. So again, if we set up our ratio table, so again, I'm going to cross that out. I'm going to say 25. How long will it take the snail to travel 25 centimeters? So we got our centimeters over here. We got our minutes over here. Again, we wanted to know for 1 minute. We found out it was 2.5. Based on the information over here, we had 10, we had 4. And then the question was, it should have been 25, not 24. Well, how long will it take the snail to travel 25 centimeters? And it really, for this kind of question, it really should have been like this. All you had to do was 2.5 times 10. And if you do 2.5, you get 25. Do that on the same side, and you get 1 times 10. You get 10. And I'm so glad we could have figured this out. So in 25 centimeters, the snail could travel in 10 minutes. The snail could travel 25 centimeters in 10 minutes. All right, I'm glad that was solved. 10, just the number. 3 tacos cost $18. How much would 5 tacos cost at the same rate? All right, so let's draw it out. Let's draw our ratio table out. Okay, so if I draw a table, all right, there's my ratio table. I got my tacos on one side, and I got my cost of how much these tacos cost on the other. My tacos cost $3 or 3 tacos for $18. How much would 5 tacos cost? All right, well, I know if I double this, right? 3 times 2 is 6. And 18 times 2 is, so double. 18 doubled is $36 for 6. That's so expensive. These better be the best tacos ever. But let's backtrack. How much is 1 taco? So how do we get from 3 to 1? We do 3 divided by 3. And then we do 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 is $6. We're going to pay $6 for one taco? That's a really expensive taco. Okay. So since I already have the answer, oh, that's easy. I could do 1 times 5, and I could do 6 times 5, and 6 times 5 is $30. So at that rate, for 5 tacos, we're going to pay $30. Oof, expensive. Well, let me put the money sign. I really want to put the money sign. Nope, can't put that. Okay. Daily poll. If you could travel through time, where would you go? I wouldn't want to mess the future up. Well, if I went to the past, I would mess the present up. You know what? I would go to the past. All right. I hope this helped you with your homework.